So yan guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, tayo ay bibisita sa aking pinapagawang bahay. Charot. So yan guys, still I start to build this house January and until now still
So ayan, nakikita
ito.
nyo guys ang
Still,
aking
still no roof guys, so
bahay.
as you
Ayan
can
guys,
see.
still not yet the roof because it's a big expenses to need our house roof. So later, I will stand up in the upstairs so that you can see the the overlooking. So ayan. So let's go guys. Okay tayo doon. So, ayan, ang kawawang bahay. So, as you can see, ha, tingnan niyo yung mga grasses. Wala ka na makitang green, so color brown. Color brown, the grasses, because of already, so almost 4 months, no rain. Oh, my goodness, charot, what happened? So, look at this, guys. Oh. So, this is my house, but I started to build this January. So, until now, not yet roof because we don't have yet budget. So, this is a big expensive. See? As of now, we have already trusses for the roof, but not complete. Oh my gosh. So guys, ayan na. Ay, Hati, yung binili natin na pintura, hindi maganda. So ito guys, yung aming pang roof. Not yet finished. So ayan. So, as of now. So ayan. Ayan guys, ang aking bahay. So, in the front, as you can see, we are here in the front of the house. So it's overlooking mountain and ocean. See? Maganda guys. This is itong terrace namin. Nakaharap ka sa overlooking habang nagkakape sa umaga. Ay ko, tinatapos mo rin? Ah, Diyos. Basa pa ya? Wala na tapusan na pa ano rin. Last week pa kapag March ako hindi may problema. Kwartas mo din ito. Ha? Wala pa. System pa. So yan guys. Pasok tayo sa loob. Tutor ko kayo what is inside. So this is the first room. Yeah, you can see the first room. And then we go to the second room. That is the master bedroom. Yeah, that is the master bedroom. What is inside in the master bedroom? So we go inside. We go first to the window. So ayan guys, so what can you see in the window is overlooking the mountains. Yeah, that is the view of, you will stand in the window. In the, yeah, window. And then what this is, that is the dressing room, the one. And the other one is the toilet. Yeah, this is the dressing room and the toilet in the master bedroom. So we go, it's outside, and you can see the another toilet here for all. This is the one toilet for all. So that's it. So we go outside. So ayan. So that is the outside of my house. At the back, this is the back. So ayan you guys. Ano ba last na pinturahan? Ano pa? Ay, tapos niya? Ito na lang isa? Hindi pa tapos? Loob na lang yan. Ito, loob na lang. Nipisin mo na lang siguro. na tayo mo. Oo nga, may pista nga. So, yun guys, sinubukan kong tumulong magpintura. So, ganyan pala kahirap pala magpintura. So, ayan, pintura-pintura muna tayo. Tulungan ko nga yung aking anak. Paano magpintura nito. So, yan. Hindi pala ganun kadali. Charot. So, ang hirap. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for today's video. Ayan lang, updates lang tayo. This house is start build January, and so this is already how many months, but we always waiting for money for my salary. If I have a small money and then I build, and I have a small money again I build. So that's why. So for now, so that's why that is it already. So for now, we are waiting again for the next blessings to to make a roof. So I was scared guys because it's already raining, so that's why still not yet a roof. But I prayed and hope that there's somebody help me for this, or by doing watching my video and doing don't skip my ads. This is the big help for me just to earn money here in the YouTube to finish build my house. So thank you so much guys. Please help us support me. I miss Anne. uh, I miss Anne. Please help and support me guys for my YouTube channel, Miss Anne. So yeah, thank you so much. Please help and watch and support. Thank you so much and bye bye, and I love you all my viewers.